Hey there, database admins! Ready to master SQL Server? Today, I'm walking you through the essential pre- and post-installation steps. Let's dive right in. First up, pre-installation. Before you even think about installing SQL Server, make sure your environment is ready. Check your hardware and software requirements. SQL Server has specific needs, so verify your server meets them. Next, secure your environment. Do a thorough malware scan and ensure your Windows updates are current. Trust me, you don't want any surprises during the installation. Alright, now let's talk about service accounts. Create dedicated service accounts for SQL Server services. This boosts security and helps with troubleshooting later on. One more thing before you start the installation. Configure your firewall to allow SQL Server access. This prevents connection issues down the line. Okay, installation phase done. Great! Now, on to post-installation. First, apply the latest service packs and cumulative updates. This ensures your server is secure and runs smoothly. Next, configure your SQL Server settings. Adjust memory allocations, max degree of parallelism, and database file locations. Tailoring these settings to your environment can drastically improve performance. Don't forget about backups. Schedule regular backups right away. It's your safety net against data loss. Now, let's talk about monitoring. Set up SQL Server agent jobs to monitor performance and alert you to potential issues. Tools like SQL Server Management Studio make this easy. Finally, document everything. Keep a log of your configurations, changes, and any issues you encounter. This is invaluable for troubleshooting and future upgrades. There you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll have a rock-solid SQL Server setup. Thanks for watching, and happy administrating.